Hello to all the engineers, future data scientists, developers, coders and upcoming prominent personalities of respective field. My name is Divyang Srivastav and you know me well as a aptitude master. On YouTube there are thousands of strategy videos on how to crack TCS and QT examination, but no one will tell you the exact roadmap for the last few days so that you have at least Ninja profile with you. We have just 7 days left for the preparation for the examination. If lucky enough, then it could extend for 10 to 15 days. Now there could be a possible two category of a student. First, who did significant preparation earlier, but for some reasons they have just stopped their preparation. There could be another possible category in which students are waiting for the final submission day. They haven't started the preparation yet. Both of them have the same question in their head. क्या मेरा TCS and QT exam निकलेगा? So my answer to you will be a definitely yes. Still, with just 7 days of preparation, you can maximize your score and get Ninja profile. Since you have lack of time, we have just 7 days, so we are targeting Ninja profile only. And further, we can upgrade it to the digital profile by qualifying the DCA examination. It would be a last chance for all the 2025 batch student, as there is no other company for the mass hiring in the upcoming days. So इसको हम एक last attempt लेके चलेंगे. Also student, if you take it as a last attempt, take it as a last exam of your life as well. और इस 7 days में इतना efforts दे दो कि अब offer letter हाथ में होगा और life में दोबारा हमें पढ़ना ना पड़े. 7 days में 9.5 LPA तक का पैकेज लेके तुम बीटेक की फीस रिकवर कर सकते हो. आईसीसी चैंपियंस ट्रॉफी का एग्जाम्पल ले लो. स्टीव स्मिथ एंड मेनी अदर क्रिकेटर्स सेड अ गुड बाय आफ्टर एंजॉयिंग द पीक ऑफ देयर करियर. सो यू हैव टू क्रैक दिस एग्जामिनेशन बाय एनी वे. Before moving forward, I just request you to follow us on the social media platform so that you get the hiring information at the earliest. These all are our social media platforms. So what could be a right strategy? How we should maximize our score in the upcoming 7 days? So first one would be prioritize your preparation as per the topic wise weightage. Previously, in many of the videos, we have covered the exact examination pattern and whatever the weightages of different topics. So you can check out the foundation section. Since हमारा टारगेट भी प्राइमरली क्या होगा, दैट एनी हाउ वी हैव टू ग्रैब द निंजा प्रोफाइल. फॉर निंजा वी हैव टू क्लियर द फाउंडेशन सेक्शन, राइट. एंड 7 days आर इनफ. यू हैव टू वर्क ऑन द न्यूमेरिकल एबिलिटी, दैट इज योर क्वांट्स पार्ट, रीजनिंग एबिलिटी, वर्बल सेक्शन. ये 3 टॉपिक्स कर लिया तो फाउंडेशन सेक्शन वुड बी अ इजी केक टू वर्क. कंपोजिट अगर टाइम allocate we will discuss, it will be for 75 minutes. Number of questions in per sections would be 20 questions and 25 questions. It is the cutoff for different profile, right. So first would be daily 5 hours of aptitude preparation. इतना कर लिया, I can assure you that you can surely going to crack this examination. 4 hours of aptitude preparation is sufficient. In just suppose you have 7 days left, so you can do 7 into 4, that is 28 hours you can devote to your aptitude section. Then 10 days are sufficient. I am just considering that maximum if your exam date would extend, you will get hardly 10 to 15 days. But at worst condition, it could be 7 days as well. For the next 7 days, you have to solve 7 PYQs, right? Because TCS follows the common trend. अब common trend क्या है? If you just analyze the examination pattern, right? Each and every year, the diversification of the question paper is such that हमेशा question paper exact रहता है, right? The variety of questions as well as the difficulty level of questions remains the same. So if we just practice the questions that has come in the previous year questions, हम डेफिनेटली एग्जाम्स क्लियर कर लेंगे. 7 PYQs इज इक्वल टू 70% ऑफ योर कोर्स कवरेज. आई एश्योर यू, टेक माई वर्ड्स, यू कैन टेक अ स्क्रीनशॉट ऑफ इट एज वेल, राइट. अब क्या होगा, व्हाट हैपन इफ यू जस्ट गो विद द 7 PYQs. 7 PYQs कर लिया, you will be able to solve more than say 65 into 7 total number of questions. and you get the exact idea what TCS is going to offer you in form of questions. Easy topic to be covered first, right? So prioritize your time as per the examination pattern. This is the exact examination pattern in which previous year questions has been come. Topic wise it is. So we will prioritize our time as per the maximum weightage of the topics, right? Iski chaho to you can take a screenshot or you can make a printout of this particular page and you can stick it on your say rough work or whatever you are practicing book, right? अब होगा इससे क्या, if you take a screenshot, हमेशा आंखों के सामने you can visualize the exact roadmap, exact examination weightage of these particular topics, and you have to plan in such a way that you have to give maximum time to all these particular topics. You can't afford missing any of the particular topics. First of all, you have to done with the elementary statistics, percentage chapter, time and work, area mensuration, and these particular topics. Then if lucky enough, then you have to give the advanced quantitative topic once you are done with your foundation part. If we talk about reasoning ability sections, coding and decoding is the primarily section, primarily topic that you have to emphasize on. सबसे पहले preparation यहाँ से start करो. Give significant time to all these 10 chapters. These all are 10 chapters. Correct? यहाँ पे भी cut off for Ninja profile would be around 12 to 14 questions out of 20 questions. So strategize your time according to the different examination weightage of particular chapters, and at last you don't have to skip the verbal ability sections as well, because there is a provision of sectional cutoff. So no matter how well versed you are with the coding sections, DSA पूरा कंप्लीट कर लिया, लीड कोड्स पे प्रैक्टिसेस कर लिया, हैकेथॉन्स में भी पार्टिसिपेट कर लिया, बट अगर फाउंडेशन ही नहीं निकला तो यू विल बी आउट ऑफ द रेस. तो इसके लिए सबसे पहले तो फाउंडेशन निकालने के लिए तुम्हें तीनों सेक्शंस पे टाइम देना पड़ेगा, दैट इज योर क्वांट्स, योर वर्बल एंड योर रीजनिंग सेक्शंस. नेक्स्ट स्टेप फॉर conquering the ninja profile would be avoid giving much time on college stuffs. Abhi since we have 7 to 10 days left, can't you take a leave for 7 to 10 days? I can understand college में 75% का criteria होता है, but you know very well how to manage all these college stuffs, right? College की degree is the worst if you won't get a good placements. अभी ये लास्ट एक तुम्हारे पास चांस है, लास्ट चांस है टू कन्वर्ट अ पैकेज. सो अवॉइड वेस्टिंग टाइम ऑफ एकेडमिक्स. इवन अगर कॉलेज में तुम्हारा से इंटरनल्स एग्जामिनेशंस वगैरह चल रहे हैं, सो फॉर द रेस्ट 7 to 10 days यू कैन टेक अ लीव और यू कैन गो फॉर प्रॉक्सीज, राइट? इतना मैनेज करना पड़ेगा, राइट? अवॉइड IPL और अदर स्पोर्ट्स इवेंट. इन रिसेंट डेज ऑल्सो यू हैव सीन द चैंपियंस ट्रॉफी एज वेल. अभी टाइम बहुत कम है, तो यू हैव टू एफिशिएंट, यू हैव टू मैक्सिमाइज योर टाइम कंजम्पशन. आप टाइम कंजम्पशन कैसे मैक्सिमम यूज करोगे? सबसे पहले तो उसकी यूटिलिटी देखोगे, तो मैक्सिमम ऑफ योर टाइम यूटिलिटी विल गो विद द प्रिपरेशन पार्ट. IPL फिर से होगा, नेक्स्ट ईयर होगा, 22 को तो अभी स्टार्ट हो रहा है, नेक्स्ट ईयर भी होगा. सेम गोज विद अदर स्पोर्ट्स इवेंट एज वेल. हर साल आते हैं. शादियां कहीं नहीं रुक रही है, शादियां भी होती रहेंगी. Even if you go with the college fest and all, college fest भी हर साल होंगे, but this is the last chance that you have to give the 2025 TCS NQT examination. This attempt will be your final attempt. After that, you won't be able to give any of the TCS based assessments. Step third would be balance approach and revision are your lifeline. So what is balance approach? There is a provision of sectional cutoff. So you have to make a balance among the all 3 sections. ऐसा नहीं करोगे, you can't just skip any of the sections. If you are thinking that, see, मेरा quants अच्छा है, my verbal is very good, but I don't have a sufficient knowledge about reasoning. तो यहाँ पे पहले ही एलिमिनेट हो जाओगे, बिकॉज यू हैव टू bring significant scores in all these particular 3 sections, right? Composite scores matters. Composite scores means the sum total of all the 3 sections. So as per the composite scores, as per the performance, you will be given the chance to be eligible for different profiles, that is your ninja profile, your digital profile, or for prime profile. 7 days is equal to PYQ is the hack for any particular examination, right? तो इसको तो मिस करना ही नहीं है, 7 PYQs तो देना ही देना है तुम्हें, कुछ भी ना करके जाओ, but at least you have to give 7 PYQs, right? 7 into 4 hours of practice for quants and reasoning, that I have already told you that you have to give at least 28 hours. अब 28 hours से होगा क्या? We have 20 most important chapter from quants and reasoning. So in 28 hours you can easily cover all these 20 topics. Then we have 7 into 2 hours of verbal practice. Verbal is very different than exact English, right? In my previous video I have covered the hacks to qualify the verbal examination, or for hacks to qualify the verbal section. Then we have to do at least 7 into 5 codes. This is for the student who are वेल वर्स विद द कोडिंग पार्ट. अगर ऑलरेडी DSA या लीड कोड्स पे प्रैक्टिस कर लिया है एंड यू हैव अ सिग्निफिकेंट नॉलेज अबाउट द कोडिंग पार्ट, देन यू कैन अप्रोच दिस पर्टिकुलर स्ट्रेटेजी. नाउ कम्स विद द स्टेप 4, that is skipping the coding section if you haven't yet started. Suppose you are not well versed, you are not well familiar with the coding sections, or you are someone who is from non-IT background or non-CSE background. So for the time being, what you can do is first focus on qualifying the foundation section. Why so? क्योंकि हमारे पास sufficient time होगा अगर foundation section if we can cover, at least we are eligible for the ninja profile. We can grab the ninja profile and after 5 months we can give the DCA exam to convert the digital profile. Right? So agar even if we satisfy with the ninja profile, if we get the ninja profile, we have sufficient time to prepare for the coding from any beginning level. तो कॉम्पिटेटिव कोडिंग 5 months में सीख सकते हो, बट अभी जो 7 days है उसका एक्शन प्लान क्या होगा कि अभी फाउंडेशन में वी हैव टू क्वालिफाई द फाउंडेशन सेक्शन, राइट? अब DSA एग्जाम जिसको नहीं पता, तो एट द टाइम ऑफ योर ज्वाइनिंग, एट द टाइम ऑफ द ज्वाइनिंग you are liable to give this particular exam in order to upgrade your profile from ninja to digital. Apart from that, in every 6 months of after your joining, in every 6 months you can give the DCA examination, right? What would be the step 5? Don't do generic preparation. What is generic preparation? हम कहीं से भी रैंडम उठा के पेजेस पलट के पढ़ने लगते हैं. दैट इज एब्सोल्युटली रबिश स्ट्रैटेजी टू फॉलो फॉर द एप्टीट्यूड प्रिपरेशन. डू TCS specific preparation only. What is TCS specific preparation? Different exams required, different difficulty levels are coming into different particular set of examination. So we have to follow the TCS specific preparation only. राइट? अब जैसे कि फॉर एन इंस्टेंट सपोज करो TCS में एक प्रोविजन है कि वी कैन स्किप टू द क्वेश्चंस अराउंड वन पर्टिकुलर सेट ऑफ से वन सेक्शंस ओनली. वी कैन स्किप. इसको काट दो, इसको काट दो, थोड़ा मैं सोच लेता हूँ, ठीक है? और फिर इसको यहाँ पे पेस्ट करना, पूरा ही काट देंगे, ठीक है? फिर स्टेप 5 हम यहाँ से ऐड करेंगे. अब यहां से स्टार्ट करते हैं, ठीक है। स्टेप 5 वुड बी don't do generic preparation. What is generic preparation? Different set of examinations, different examinations required different set of preparation methodology to be applied. Always prefer to do TCS specific preparation, right? तो सबसे पहले तो एग्जामिनेशंस के पैटर्न्स, उसके रूल्स को ओवरथ्रो करो, उसको गो थ्रो कर लो अच्छे से। अब इससे होगा क्या, like in particular TCS based assessment there is a provision, suppose there are 20 questions in a sections, so you can have the ability or you can have the access to switch to another questions. You can switch from first to second, second to 20th, 20th to second or third question, right? So you can switch to different sections, to different questions within a sections, but there is a provision, you can't skip to another sections, you can't switch to another sections, right? So before starting you must be very aware about the TCS specific preparation. Second point would be difficulty level differs. Here you are not going to prepare for any gate based examination or any CAT based examination. The difficulty levels is quite moderate to high. If I talk about the quants and reasoning sections, so your methodology would be as per the difficulty level of the examination. तो यहाँ पे अच्छे लेवल के क्वेश्चंस का सिलेक्शन करना पड़ेगा. No preparation for the books. Why I am insisting you not to prepare from the books? Because books are outdated, right? The questions are outdated. The difficulty levels in exact book is different, quite different. So always choose a right platform for your entire preparation, and that would be you can do your entire preparation from the Prep Insta Prime platform. There you will get the access of PYQs, mocks, and the exact question that has come in the previous year question paper. You can also give the quizzes so that you can evaluate your scores. Fourth point would be stop wasting time watching random YT videos. ठीक है, अभी होगा कुछ नहीं, at the end you will just waste your time only, right? So stop wasting time watching random YouTube videos. ठीक है, until and unless तुम practice नहीं करोगे, your exams won't be going to be qualified. So you have to fix your belt, you have to come along with your pad. और जैसे किसी भी क्रिकेट पिच पे आप आते हो, आपको in reality आपको you have to play in order to win the game. So in the same battlefield of the examination you have to do the practice, and the practice is the only key, right? Next step would be time management techniques. What is time management techniques? Particularly you have to give mocks. Mocks is the key to success. ये रामबाड़ है एक तरीके से, it is a रामबाड़, right? मॉक्स ज्यादा से ज्यादा दो with no pause option. पॉज ऑप्शन करोगे तो कैसे तुम्हारी हैबिट बनेगी फॉर सिटिंग 3 long hours, right? अब कल को you will be qualified as a employer with TCS or any other company. So अगर 8-9 hours की सिटिंग कैपेसिटी नहीं है, इतना नहीं दे सकते हो स्टडीज को, डोंट गो फॉर एनी पर्टिकुलर एग्जामिनेशंस, राइट? एनालाइज योर स्कोर्स, जितना ज़्यादा मॉक्स दो उतना ज़्यादा एनालाइज करो, सो दैट यू कैन इवेल्युएट योर वीकर सेक्शंस एंड यू कैन improve your performance in the sections where you are doing fabulous work. So evaluation of your scores is very must. You need to analyze your mock test. बार बार mock test को analyze करोगे कि कहाँ पे गलतियाँ हो रही हैं, और अपनी गलतियों से you have to learn, right? Learn unconventional method. What is unconventional method? Irrespective of going along with the pen and paper, step wise तुम अगर किसी क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व कर सकते हो, करते हो, that is a absolutely false strategy. Least use of pen and rough paper. पेन और रफ पेपर का यूज तभी करो जब वो क्वेश्चन तुम समझ के तुम्हें ये लग रहा है कि तुम वर्बली उस पर्टिकुलर क्वेश्चन को एक तरीके से पिक्चराइज नहीं कर पा रहे हो या मेंटल कैलकुलेशन से क्वेश्चंस नहीं कर पा रहे हो, तभी पेन एंड पेपर का करो क्वेश्चंस. ट्राई टू यूज मेंटल कैलकुलेशन एज मच एज पॉसिबल. ओके. ऑप्शन एलिमिनेशन टेक्निक्स. राइट. अभी कोई भी क्वेश्चन में स्टक हो, देयर इज नो प्रोविजन ऑफ नेगेटिव मार्किंग इन द एग्जामिनेशंस. तो कोई भी क्वेश्चन में इफ यू आर स्टक विथ, जस्ट गो विद द ऑप्शन एलिमिनेशन टेक्निक्स. क्वेश्चंस में वैल्यूज पुट कर दो फ्रॉम द डिफरेंट गिवन ऑप्शंस और उसकी हेल्प से यू कैन अप्रोच द क्वेश्चन. राइट. यूज ऑप्शंस टू अप्रोच क्वेश्चंस. ओके. तो यहाँ पे क्या करोगे, ऑप्शंस को एलिमिनेट करते जाओ. रॉन्ग ऑप्शंस को अगर एलिमिनेट करोगे तो राइट ऑप्शन तक डेफिनेटली आप पहुंच जाओगे. ठीक है. और यहाँ पे क्या करोगे, यू कैन यूज योर ऑप्शंस टू ऑल्टर विद द different given question. Go thoroughly complete sections in starting 2 minutes. In the starting of any particular set of assessment examination, the best strategy is to go thoroughly complete section in the starting 2 minutes. What it emphasize on? Suppose we have 20 questions. This is 1 2 3 4 5 and we have total 20 questions. Right. तो starting के 2 minutes में क्या करो, एक बार गो थॉरली कर लो सारे ही क्वेश्चंस को, सो दैट यू गेट अ रफ आइडिया अबाउट व्हाट आर द एग्जैक्ट क्वेश्चंस दैट यू आर वेल वर्स्ड विद, जिसको तुम कम टाइम फ्रेम में यू कैन सॉल्व. राइट. सो ऑन फर्स्ट को पहले उन क्वेश्चंस को सॉल्व कर दो. व्हेन यू आर लेफ्ट विद 10 to 15 मिनट्स, तो बाकी ये क्वेश्चंस को यू कैन चेक इट आउट. इससे होगा क्या, यू कैन मैक्सिमाइज योर स्कोर. ऑल्सो यू कैन स्किप द क्वेश्चंस दैट यू आर नॉट फैमिलियर विद. और इससे एक और चीज होगी कि आपका कभी भी क्वेश्चन यहाँ पे लेफ्ट नहीं होगा. नो क्वेश्चंस वुड बी लेफ्ट. एल्स इफ नॉट फॉलोइंग द राइट टाइम मैनेजमेंट टेक्निक, कई बार ऐसा होता है कि बच्चे क्वेश्चंस छोड़ देते हैं. ठीक है. उनका ड्यू टू लैक ऑफ टाइम उनका क्वेश्चंस ही छूट जाता है. राइट. सो लेट मी मोर डिस्क्राइब यू about how we can use option elimination techniques. Suppose हमारे पास एक क्वेश्चन है, what is the synonym of for accord. अभी if I am not familiar with the word accord, and I hope maximum of the students are not familiar with the word accord. अभी I have to determine the synonym for the accord. तो synonym means similar words और similar meaning word. अभी मुझे accord का मीनिंग नहीं पता, बट मैं क्या ऑप्शन एलिमिनेशन से इसको सॉल्व कर सकता हूं. मैंने देखा फर्स्ट ऑप्शन दैट आई वाज गिवन विद इज कॉन्फ्लिक्ट्स. कॉन्फ्लिक्ट्स मतलब जब दो पर्सन के बीच में डाइवर्जन ऑफ से बिलीव्स और डाइवर्जन ऑफ ओपिनियंस, या इनके दोनों के बीच में, ठीक है, एक तरीके का डिसएग्रीमेंट्स ऑफ ओपिनियंस होता है. तो कॉन्फ्लिक्ट्स होता है, डिस्प्यूट होता है. इट इज अ काइंड ऑफ डिस्प्यूट. It is a negative word. Disagreement shows the same word. Diversity also means having two different opinions or something. Agreement is a positive words. तो अब इसको सॉल्व कैसे कर सकते हैं, हमने देखा यहाँ पे मूड कैसा है या टोन कैसी है. ठीक है. तो ये सारे वर्ड्स जो है दे आर हैविंग अ नेगेटिव टोन. यहाँ पे भी देखो कॉन्फ्लिक्ट्स इज अ नेगेटिव टोन, नेगेटिव टोन, नेगेटिव टोन. Only one particular word is showing a positive tone or a positive meaning. तो मैं यहां से definitely कह सकता हूं agreement would be the answer, right? So even if मुझे accord की meaning नहीं पता, but मैं right answer को approach कर सकता हूं. Why so? क्योंकि मुझे यहां पे पता चल गया कि tone क्या थी यहां पे. ठीक है. These all are negative words. Only one word is showing a positive impact or a positive tone. तो मैं यहां से क्लैरिफाई कर सकता हूं. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन वुड बी अ क्वांट्स बेस्ड क्वेश्चन. अब इसको कैसे यहाँ पे ट्रिक्स यूज कर सकते हैं, कैसे ऑप्शन एलिमिनेशन टेक्निक्स, या कैसे हम यहाँ पे विद इन टाइम फ्रेम में विदाउट पेन एंड पेपर कैसे इसको सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. तो गुड्डू पंडित मल्टीप्लाइड अ नंबर बाई 3/5 इंस्टेड ऑफ 5/3. व्हाट इज द परसेंटेज एरर इन द कैलकुलेशन. सो ही हैज टू मल्टीप्लाई अ नंबर बाई 3/5. राइट. बाय मिस्टेक he multiplied by 5/3. So in actual he has to multiply by 5/3, but by mistake what he did, he multiplied the number by 3 by 5. So what you have to do is 5 5s are 25, that is actual number. By mistake 3 3s are 9. He multiplied by 9. So the change in or the difference between the given number is nothing but the error. So error percentage would be 16. Acha, error percentage is always calculated on the actual number. So 16 divided by 25 multiplied by 100. So this would be 4 times, and this would be 64 times. So these are the short tricks by which you can just approach these questions. Also you can do this question without pen and paper. How? There is 3 by 5, 5 by 3. अब यहाँ पे mental calculation कर लो. Here comes the mental calculation in picture. You can do the actual solution without even using pen and paper. So 5 5s are 25 and 9 would be the values. Difference would be 16. 16 divided by 25 into 100. So the answer would be 64%. So without pen and paper, using unconventional methods, you can actually solve these questions. कभी भी एग्जाम्स में जाओ, कोशिश करो कि first on a first go, just go through that particular question and try to visualize this, try to analyze the question, what exact he wanted to ask you, right? शुरू से ये step ना यहाँ पे solve किया करो, because in actual examinations यहाँ पे step marking नहीं मिलने वाली तुम्हें. Here what matters is what is the right options, and on the basis of right options आपको यहाँ पे marks मिलेंगे. Wrong answer तो marks नहीं मिलेंगे. तो no one is going to give you a reward or prize कि यहाँ पे आपने सारे steps solve किए हो. No one is going to watch your steps. तो steps कम से कम रखो ताकि time save हो और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा you can give the output for these questions. Also student, अगर मेरा इसके पहले वाला वीडियो नहीं देखा है तो just go and watch the previous videos where I have covered all the short tricks for TCS and QT examination. You can search for short tricks video for TCS and QT examination. Okay, in that particular video I have covered 12 short tricks through which we can approach questions. तो हम मैक्सिमम क्वेश्चंस को शॉर्ट ट्रिक्स की हेल्प से यहाँ पे सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, इससे क्या होगा, टाइम सेव होगा. जब टाइम सेव होगा तो वो बचा हुआ रिमेनिंग टाइम वी कैन गिव टू द क्वेश्चंस दैट वी आर नॉट वेरी मच कॉन्फिडेंट अबाउट. तो जिस क्वेश्चंस में कॉन्फिडेंट नहीं हो वहां पे वो टाइम यूटिलाइज करोगे तो इससे योर स्कोर्स वुड बी डेफिनेटली मैक्सिमाइज, राइट. नेक्स्ट, दिस वाज द क्वेश्चन. अब ये क्वेश्चन पर्टिकुलरली अगर हम स्टेप वाइज जाएंगे तो इट विल टेक अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम, बट विदाउट जस्ट यूजिंग एक्चुअल पेन, हम सिर्फ ऑप्शन एलिमिनेशन से वी कैन अप्रोच दिस क्वेश्चन. वी कैन अप्रोच दिस क्वेश्चन विदाउट यूजिंग एनी पेन एंड पेपर. हाउ? जस्ट लुक एट. विद्युत जामवाल was 3 times Tiger age 10 years ago. Let us assume this particular condition where Vidyut and like Tiger Shroff was comparing in terms of their age. So this was 10 years ago. He was thrice the age of Tiger, but he will be only twice as old as 10 after 10 years. So this would be after 10 years, and here comes the present age, right? सो अगर हम सारे ही यहाँ पे एज डाइवर्जन को या एज के बिहाफ पे यहाँ पे डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर दें और क्रोनोलॉजिकल ऑर्डर में वी हैव टू सेट अप द एजेस ऑफ विद्युत एंड से टाइगर. तो हियर आफ्टर 10 years द रेशियो वुड बी 2:1. नाउ द क्वेश्चन हैज बीन आस्क्ड व्हाट इज द विद्युत्स प्रेजेंट एज, राइट. वी हैव टू डिटरमाइन द विद्युत्स प्रेजेंट एज. सो we are given with the 4 of the options. Suppose Vidyut's present age is 70 years, right? So 10 years ago विद्युत की एज कितनी होगी? 60 होगी. विद्युत की एज कितनी होगी? 60 होगी, right? So ratio of विद्युत age 10 years ago was 3. So we have to determine if it satisfy the value. So the age was 60, that means it was a multiple of 3. That means it could be a answer. Now let us come to another particular option, that is 78. 10 years ago विद्युत की एज कितनी होगी? 68 होगी, and it is not a multiple of 3, so it can't be a right option. Then we have a option number C, that is 66. अच्छा, 66 is the present age of Vidyut? So Vidyut की age 10 years ago कितनी होगी? It would be 56 years. Is 56 a multiple of 3? No. That means this option can't be possible. Now we have option number D with us. Option number D says 72. So Vidyut age 10 years ago कितनी होगी? 62, and 62 is not a multiple of 3. So we can say these all options could be eliminated. Only option that satisfy the given condition is option number A. So we can approach these questions with the help of option elimination techniques. Why we are checking out determining the multiple of 3 only? Because the ratio was 3:1. So whatsoever the age of Vidyut, it must be a multiple of 3 only before 10 years. So these all particular ages are present ages, right? So 10 साल पहले जो ages होंगी वो क्या होंगी? Multiple of 3 ही होनी चाहिए. तो इस तरह से we can determine the exact answer without even calculating the or without even solving the exact answer. So that was all about the session. These all are social media platforms. You can definitely go and follow us on all the social media platforms so that you get the hiring information at earliest. Also student, the top 3 comments get free access to Prep Insta Prime. So if you are facing any sort of challenges with respect to your preparation for TCS and QT examination, just drop down the comment and our team will surely address to it. Also drop a comment if you need the PPT for this session or you want more videos regarding the last movement strategy for your aptitude preparation. If you are preparing for very scratch for the TCS based NQT examination, then you can avail the TCS NQT based subscription pack from Prep Insta. Let me give you a more brief description about what TCS Prep Insta Prime pack is all about. You can have the access of more than 10 mocks with number of quizzes and 10 previous year question paper from TCS and QT Prime subscription. You can avail the maximum discount by using my referral code, that is DIV10. Let me simplify it for you. If you just go with the Prep Insta Prime, you get different domain, you get different tracks through which you can do the entire placement preparation. These are the tracks which are trending courses for different assessment for different companies. Also you can learn different popular skills like NLP or deep learning, cloud computing, cyber security, absolutely free on our Prime subscription pack. Also agar full stack courses or you want to learn the coding courses from very initial, you can learn C, C++, Java, Python, everything absolutely free from our subscription. If you want to switch your career from a non-IT background to IT background, this is the perfect place, because just one subscription and you have access of multiple courses, that is more than 200 courses on our platform, through which you can do the absolute preparation plan for your placement examination. You can do the quantitative parts, logical reasoning part, verbal part, data interpretation, visual reasoning, crypto arithmetic, essay writing, game based aptitude, absolutely from one subscription pack. If you like this particular video, if you find it informative, you can share it among your friends, among your social media handles, so that maximum of the student can avail these opportunities and can prepare from very scratch level through Prep Insta websites. Thank you all.